Namaste students, welcome to you. Today's class on some basic concept of chemistry, topic atomic mass and molecular mass from chapter 1 of class 11, part 2. All of you know how to measure the mass of a substance. To measure the mass of a substance, maybe your chemistry book or vegetables in the market, you need unit. It may be 1 kilogram or 1 gram. So what we will do, we will check the mass of that substance is how many times heavier than that of 1 gram or 1 kilogram. Here I would like to mention that how you will define 1 kilogram mass. 1 kilogram has been defined as the mass of platinum iridium cylinder that is stored in a airtight jar at International Bureau of Weights and Measurements in France. This is taken as the international prototype of the kilogram. Now, problem arises when I am asking you to measure the mass of an atom or molecules. You know, all the substance are made up of matter, and matters is made up of molecules or atoms. So atoms are so tiny particles, it is very difficult to take the mass of an atom with gram or kilogram. So earlier days, the mass of an atom is measured with respect to the mass of one hydrogen atom. The mass of a hydrogen atom is taken as 1 mu and it is measured with respect to hydrogen. But later, this mass of hydrogen is replaced with the mass of C12 carbon atom. So today we'll see how to measure the atomic mass and molecular mass of the substance or elements. I would like to discuss little bit about basic thing. You know, atoms are made up of electron, proton and neutron. Electrons are revolving around the circumference of the atom, and center we are taking that proton and neutrons are there. It is called nucleon. So center there is proton and neutron, and electrons are revolving around the nucleon. Now mass of a proton is 1.664 into 10 to the power 24, and mass of a neutron is 1.667 into 10 to the power minus 24. So the mass of an atom we are taking for proton or neutron only, because the mass of electron is negligible, it is very less. So what is the mass of electron? You know, it is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28. So mass of an atom is due to the mass of proton or neutron. So the mass of hydrogen is taken as 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24. Nowadays, mass of extremely small particles like atoms and molecules can be measured through sophisticated techniques. Now the mass of an hydrogen atom is taken as 1 unit and the mass of an atoms of elements or molecules of a substance is measured by comparing it with that unit. That is, it is how many times heavier than the mass of one atom of hydrogen or 1/12 of carbon 12 atom. The atomic mass of an element is the number of times an atom of that element is heavier than the mass of 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Carbon has 6 neutron and 6 proton. So the mass of a C12 carbon atom is taken as 6 plus 6, that is 12 unit. It is written as U or AMU, and thus it is taken as 12 AMU. Now the mass of the atoms of other atoms are measured with this C12 carbon atom. It is taken as 1/12 mass of an carbon atom as unit, and other atoms are measured, or the mass of other atoms or molecules of substance or elements are how many times heavier than that of C12 isotope. The atomic mass of an element is the number of times an atom of that element is heavier than the mass of 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. You know, mass of 1/12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom is called 1 atomic mass unit or 1 AMU or U, and 1 AMU equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So the unit 1 AMU means 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Now the mass of an atom of hydrogen is 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24. So in terms of AMU, the mass of an hydrogen atom is equal to 1.6736 into 10 to the power 24 gram by 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24, and it is equal to 1.0078 AMU. So the molecular mass of a substance, elements or compounds is the number of times the molecules of the substance is heavier than the mass of 1/12 of the mass of an atom of C12 isotope. Molecular mass of a substance can be calculated by adding the atomic masses of all the atoms present in one molecule of the substance. The molecular mass of an atom we'll discuss now with an example. Molecular mass of HCl, hydrochloric acid. How we are measuring? We are adding the atomic mass of the combining atoms. In HCl, hydrogen and chlorine atoms are there. So atomic mass of hydrogen and the atomic mass of chlorine is added. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and the atomic mass of chlorine is taken as 35.5 AMU. So the total mass of that molecule will be 36.5 U or AMU.